We're trying out 40. Gives you a lot of leverage. A little comparison. 4200 spring versus 36. That is shortened a little bit. Just get rid of the sloppiness. Probably going to shorten the 42 a little bit as well. It's a lot bigger spring overall too, diameter. So I shortened it a little bit. Just a little bit. Otherwise I think it's too long. Before I shortened my other one, if you try to hold at like 1400 RPM, the engine would just take off in neutral, unloaded. Once I shortened it, then never did that. I didn't want to have that happen with this either, so I did this. Completely gutted this. Plugged it off where the fuel pin actually usually goes inside there. Take this cap off here and you can plug it once you remove it. And I remove the top part to clean it up and give me more access to everything. You gotta put that pin right there in the middle back in. Right in the ball bearings right there. They hold it in. Probably could make screws for that if you really wanted to, but it was easier to just put it back in.